heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers. Imagine keeping homes and businesses comfortable, earning a median annual salary of $57,300 as an HVAC mechanic or installer. A high school diploma and technical training or a 2 to 4 year apprenticeship are required, ideal for hands-on young people. You'll install and repair heating, cooling, and refrigeration systems in homes or commercial buildings using technical skills to ensure functionality. The job offers good pay and high demand, but physical demands, on-call hours, and weather exposure can be tough. You'll work in varied settings with opportunities to start your own business or specialize in green technology. The role requires precision, with job security driven by constant need. Long hours or tight spaces add challenges, yet the satisfaction of solving problems is rewarding. For technical young people, this career offers a well-paid path to build skills, impact daily life, and grow in a vital trade with strong future prospects.